Below is a very detailed textbook-style drug study of Cinnarizine, suitable for pharmacology exams, nursing drug cards, and clinical reference. Cinnarizine Detailed Drug Profile. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Cinnarizine. Drug class, first-generation H1 antihistamine, anti-vertigo agent, weak calcium channel blocker, vestibular suppressant. Brand names vary by country. Stugeron, Cinarest, Vertigon, Cinnar, Arlavert, combination with dimenhydrinate. Dosage forms, tablets, usually 25 milligrams, 75 milligrams. Capsules, oral suspension syrup, pediatric use in some countries. 2. Definition. Cinnarizine is a sedating antihistamine with calcium channel blocking properties used mainly for the prevention and treatment of vertigo, motion sickness, and vestibular disorders by suppressing labyrinthine function and reducing vestibular nerve excitability. 3. Mechanism of action. Cinnarizine exerts its therapeutic effect through multiple pharmacological actions. A. Antihistaminic action, blocks H1 receptors in the vestibular apparatus and vomiting center, reduces histamine-mediated vestibular stimulation. B. Calcium channel blockade, inhibits voltage-gated calcium channels in vestibular hair cells, reduces abnormal vestibular signaling. C. Vestibular suppression, decreases labyrinthine excitability, suppresses transmission from inner ear to brainstem. D. Vascular effects, improves microcirculation, reduces vasospasm in inner ear vessels. Overall result, reduction of vertigo, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, and motion sickness symptoms. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, well absorbed after oral administration, absorption enhanced when taken with food. Distribution, highly protein bound, 90%, crosses the blood-brain barrier, widely distributed in tissues. Metabolism, extensively metabolized in the liver, metabolized mainly by cytochrome P450 enzymes. Elimination, excreted primarily via feces, small amount via urine. Half-life, approximately 3-6 hours. Uses, therapeutic uses, motion sickness, vertigo of various origins, Meniere's disease, vestibular neuritis, labyrinthitis, balance disorders, peripheral circulatory disorders, adjunct therapy. Number 6, indications. Cinnarizine is indicated for prevention and treatment of motion sickness, symptomatic treatment of vertigo, inner ear disorders associated with nausea and vomiting, vestibular disturbances following ear surgery, adjunct treatment for cerebral and peripheral vascular insufficiency. 7. Contraindications. Cinnarizine should not be used in patients with known hypersensitivity to cinnarizine, Parkinson's disease, history of severe extrapyramidal disorders, acute porphyria relative, severe liver disease relative contraindication. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use with caution in elderly patients, patients with Parkinsonism, hepatic impairment, history of depression, pregnancy and lactation. Special warnings. Long-term use may cause drug-induced Parkinsonism, causes sedation and impaired alertness. Alcohol enhances CNS depression. 9. How to use. Administer orally, preferably after meals to minimize gastric irritation. Swallow tablets whole with water. Use the lowest effective dose. Follow prescribed duration strictly. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults. Vertigo, 25 milligrams 3 times daily. Severe cases, up to 75 milligrams per day. Motion sickness, 30 milligrams 2 hours before travel, then 15 milligrams every 8 hours during travel if needed. Children 5 to 12 years, half of adult dose, not recommended for children under 5 unless prescribed. Elderly, start with lower doses, monitor for movement disorders. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if near next dose. Do not double dose. Overdose. Symptoms, severe drowsiness, confusion, tremors, hypotension, anticholinergic effects. Management, supportive treatment, gastric lavage if early, activated charcoal, no specific antidote. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Stop Cinnarizine if Parkinsonian symptoms develop, tremors or rigidity occur, severe sedation interferes with daily activities, allergic reactions appear, long-term therapy without medical supervision. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects, drowsiness, fatigue, dry mouth, weight gain, increased appetite. Less common, constipation, headache, gastric discomfort. Serious, long-term, extrapyramidal symptoms, drug-induced Parkinsonism, depression, tremors, and rigidity. Now 14, vital information, patient counseling points. May cause sleepiness, avoid driving, avoid alcohol, not for long-term use without medical advice. Report any movement abnormalities immediately. Store below 25 degrees away from light and moisture. Number 15, other drugs will affect drug interactions. Tashap, increased sedation with alcohol, benzodiazepines, opioids, other antihistamines, antipsychotics. Caution with antidepressants, anticholinergic drugs, CNS depressants. Summary: Cinnarizine is an effective anti-vertigo and anti-motion sickness drug, but long-term use must be avoided, especially in elderly patients, due to the risk of extrapyramidal side effects. Thank you. Have a nice day.